What's up, sisters? Today I'm showing a quick and easy updo for those dealing with an old twist out or one that just isn't acting right and you need something simple to go to while trying to get out the door. Like me, I'm trying to head to brunch and meet up with my bestie, so I need something simple, cute, and easy. We have partnered with Amazon for their new shopping destination, Textures and Hues, within Amazon.com, where you can pretty much shop all your favorite hair products and get the convenience of their fast shipping. For this tutorial, I'm going to be leaving out the front, like some bangs up top, and then I'm going to be sectioning the back. I'm also grabbing the hair on the sides of my head to get that pull back look. I'm going to section, like I said before, the back, but I'm not doing any defined section. I'm using jumbo bobby pins to pin up the hair. I'm tucking the ends to protect them, and I'm bobby pinning that hair straight into the middle of my head, or the crown of my head. It's not a tight pullback, it's very gentle, so you may have some leave out, like the sides of your hair that's not long enough. You can just take another bobby pin and pin that back without adding tension to the edges of your hair. I'm going to do that again to the other side. Pull back a section. It's, like I said, it's not parted with a comb or anything. You're just grabbing another section of your hair, one up top or in the middle, twisting the ends and tucking them and bobby pinning those to the middle of your head. And like I said, you may have some fallout, like so, like my edges is still a little shorter, you know, postpartum thinning and whatnot, and I'm just pinning those separately so I'm not pulling them back too hard. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the back of my head. I'm going to twist the ends up and tuck them. I'm going to leave probably a couple of strands out in the back to add some flair to it. And I'm just bobby pinning that section of hair to the center as well. Remember, all the ends are meeting into the center. See this little strand back there? I'm still debating on it at this point, but I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the last section. Super easy, as you can see. Just one more section, and I think I need to leave a little strand out. Yeah, I think I got 2 or 3 strands left out in the back, at like so. Just to add a little flair. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And I'm just gonna bobby pin that section to the center as well. I did tuck the ends. I don't think I had so much leave out in the back, so I only just had to, oh yeah, I did. I had to, pin that in. Any fallout, just pin it in to the center, and that's really it for this hairdo. But you know me, I'm going to take my favorite gel, Icy Fantasia Thick and Shine Styling Gel, and cut up on these sideburns. I also like to use the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. It's pretty good to lay on the edges. We're going to take a look at the back, and boom. Nice and tucked in. Looks like a giant bun with the little 3. I didn't even notice that center one. 3 strands left out at the bottom. I'm going to add some shine using Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Hair Sheen. I've been using this for a few years now. Also, if you're looking for a good spritzer in the morning, Soul Botanicals Aquamarine Instant Moisturizer Leave-In Conditioner is pretty good. You can get all the products I use on Amazon.com/textures-hues, where you can shop all your favorite hair products. This hairstyle was simple and easy for me to get out the house and go meet up with my friend, and hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial too. Thanks for watching, sisters. Peace out.